Spanish mint sauce. Let's get straight on into it. So easy to prepare and will knock the socks off of any shop bought mint sauce. The ingredients are so simple. So we've got brown sugar, we've got sherry vinegar, salt and pepper, honey, mint, and a little bit of olive oil. The name for mint in Spain is Hierba Buena, which means, translated to English, the good herb, Hierba Buena. First of all, we're going to chop up the mint. Now, I know that you know how to chop up mint, so we're just going to take all the leaves off the stalk and chop them up. While you're chopping them, add your salt and pepper, and it will give you a granulated feel to it, which will make the cutting easier, okay? Now, an easy way to take these leaves off, instead of picking them individually, pinch the top like this, put your thumb and finger here, and then go like that. And then you have the mint. You think of the fresh smell of mint in your kitchen, isn't it really refreshing? So here's the mint leaves, and here are the stalks. Now we're going to throw the stalks away as they're not needed. A top tip, I always find, add some salt and the black pepper, and that will aid with your chopping. Using a sharp kitchen knife, now we want to chop up these mint leaves. With the mint now finely chopped up and rustic looking, we need to add it into a small bowl. Clean your worktops. A clean kitchen is always a happy kitchen. Remember the brown sugar? Add it into the chopped up leaves. A little honey for sweetness. Boil some water. Hey friends, do me a favour, if you're liking this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Ring the bell and I can notify you of more recipes, and I'd dearly love to send them your way. Now cover with some water that's just been boiled, and now give it a good stir. Oh, I wish we had smelly vision. Oh, look at that. Now what the boiling water has done is effectively cooked the mint. Now we're at the final stage. Let's add some sherry vinegar. I'm going to go a little bit off piece by adding some balsamic vinegar. Give it a dark and rich colour. Finally, let's go in with some olive oil. Whoa, friends, what do you think of that mint sauce? Beautiful. A lovely accompaniment for lamb. Now, one of the essential things when making homemade Spanish mint sauce is you need to marinate it for at least 2 hours. So now's the time to cover this bad boy up. Bob's your uncle and Fan is your aunt. And that'll be ready for some nice roast lamb later. Beautiful homemade mint sauce. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate your company. What did you think of our Spanish mint sauce? Try it at home. Let us know how you get on. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Smash the subscribe. Ring the bell. I can notify you of more fabulous Spanish recipes that I'd love to send your way. Venga, vamos. Hasta luego. Adios.